Hello everyone, today my packages arrived. I have a few things that arrived today. So here I have this package. Let's open it up, see what's inside. So these are, I think, Mosfet transistors, and I think there's 20 of them. I ordered the IRF 44 IRFZ 44N, and let's open the next package. So this is, I think, a boost converter. So this boosts the voltage that goes in and transform it in a higher voltage. And I have more of these boost converters. So I have two of these. Let's open one up. So this is the second type of the boost converter. So this is designed for a lower voltage, and the other one is designed for a higher voltage. And I have ordered some infrared sensors. Let's open those up. So these sensors emit infrared light and receives it in the other receiver LED. So yeah, you can adjust how much how sensitive it is using this potentiometer. And all these packages I have ordered for my cyclotron, or the metal ball accelerator. So if I here have a part of the accelerator, it will be much bigger. So this is only a small part. If I put it here, it will detect when the metal ball passes through here, so the solenoid activated, and using these Mosfets I can control when the ball pushes through. So that's it for today. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.